The humble shark, the misunderstood wolf of the sea. Long maligned, sharks are a necessary part of aquatic ecosystems, maintaining biodiversity and species health. They are to be respected, not hated. The shark, a friend to the world. Well, not all sharks. In fact, there's one kind of shark that has no connection whatsoever to the common good or the health of its ecosystem. I speak, of course, of the loan shark.
Gosh, Sharon, it'd be a shame if you were late on your payment this week.
Mr. Pebbles, I'm telling you, I'm cleaned out. Surely I've paid back the principal by now.
Oh, you know how these things work, Sharon. Compound interest, it's a bear.
I only borrowed $200 from you, and in the years since I've paid you $5,000.
And yet you owe me $5,000 more, Sharon. Now, your wedding ring, is that real gold?
Mr. Pebbles, I'm begging you. It's all I've got left of him.
Now, loan sharks may not always be as obvious as a gangster shaking down old ladies. What they do is obviously criminal and obviously evil. But not all financial predators break the law. Some operate entirely within the law, and that might make them even more dangerous. They have offices, business cards, and catchy jingles. They don't threaten to take your wedding ring, but they might take your paycheck, your stability, and your peace of mind. These are the wolves who are legally allowed to wear sheep's clothing. Let's meet one now.
Hey, welcome to Cash Grab. Are you looking to get a payday loan?
There are plenty of lenders who are, while legal, totally unethical. Economists call them predatory lenders because they prey on vulnerable people. We'll run through several different kinds of predatory lenders in this video. This den of jackals, for example, calls itself a payday lender. Such lenders use unassuming names like Global Finance or Texas Loans, or, in this case, Cash Grab. Maybe your credit isn't great, or maybe you don't want to go through the hassle of a regular bank, or maybe you just need cash now. These folks can get you cash now. It says so in neon. Who would lie to you in neon? These businesses offer you the equivalent of your paycheck early. An attractive idea. Your rent is due on a Monday, but you don't get paid until the Friday after. So you get the advance, you pay your rent, then you pay off the debt at the end of the week. Except there's fees and interest, and the guy at the lending company doesn't seem all too concerned about you paying it off in a hurry. Of course he doesn't. That's how they make money.
All right, enough. We help people, okay?
Oh yeah? What's your APR?
Our annual percentage rates are competitive and standard for short-term lending. They might be even better than that other place down the street.
You don't want to tell the audience, do you?
They're smart people. They can read our terms and conditions. I don't want to bore them with a bunch of business gibberish.
A 600% annual percentage rate. So even if I could pay back the original amount, even if it were small, it'd be 6 times bigger. If I took out a loan for $1,000 at Cash Grab's APR of 600%, at the end of the year, even if I paid off the original $1,000, do you know what I'd owe?
A sense of gratitude?
$6,000.
Hey, consider the alternative, all right?
Oh yeah?
At least what I do is regulated. If I didn't exist, people would turn to criminal loan sharks.
And what's the difference between you and a gangster?
I don't bring a gun to work.
Yikes.
I'm just saying.
Go back to your hole in the ground. I'll bring you back when I need to get mad about something again.
Yeah, I got the hint. I can tell when I'm not wanted.
People think of these loans as advances on their paycheck. They're not. You know who can give you an advance on your paycheck if you're in a tight spot? Your employer. This isn't something to do all the time, but if you submit a request to them in writing with some advance notice, you might actually get somewhere without a fear of incurring hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest. Moving on down our list of legal but predatory lenders, next we have the title loan lender.
Welcome to Quick Title Loans. Need some fast cash?
Yeah, I'm in a tight spot. I just need $200 to hold me over till payday.
We can make that happen. All we need is the title to your car.
Wait, the title? Like ownership?
Oh, it's nothing dramatic. We're just holding on to it. Just a little paperwork, totally standard. You keep driving your car, and you get your cash win-win.
It's not standard at all. The car title is proof that you legally own your vehicle, and when you hand it over, you're using it as collateral. Something valuable the lender can take if you don't repay the loan. Collateral is a security promise. A brief example. Alice wants to borrow Bob's bike, and to make sure she returns it, she gives him her favorite watch to hold on to. If Alice never brings back the bike, Bob keeps the watch. In this case, the lender keeps your car.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my car.
Correction, it was your car, but you handed over the title as collateral, remember?
Yeah, but I thought you were just holding on to it. I didn't know you could actually take my car.
That's what collateral means. When you couldn't pay us back, that title gave us the legal right to seize the vehicle and sell it to cover the loan. That's the deal.
But it's worth way more than the $200 I borrowed.
Sure is, but see, you didn't just owe $200. With our triple-digit interest, rollover fees, and penalties, that little loan ballooned into a much bigger problem. You were in the red the moment you signed.
You never explained that.
It was all in the fine print, on page 17, right next to the part about repossession.
But I need that car to get to work, to take my kid to school.
That's the way the fender bends, my dear.
And there it is. For a tiny loan, maybe just a couple $100s, you could lose a vehicle worth thousands. And with it, your job, your independence, your ability to keep up with everyday life. Predatory lenders don't just take your money, they take your options. So what have we learned? Most people won't meet an actual loan shark, but payday lenders and title loan companies, those are much more common, and they can be just as dangerous. They look official. They promise fast cash with no hassle. But behind the friendly signs are sky-high interest rates and sneaky fees that can cost way more than you expect. A $200 loan could turn into thousands owed, or even losing your car. You deserve better. There are safer options, like credit unions, community lenders, or just taking time to read the fine print and ask questions. Friends don't let friends use predatory lenders. Keep the loan sharks out of your life and keep the good sharks where they belong, in the ocean.